How to enable dark mode in Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and wondering on how to enable the dark mode on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top. Select it. Now from here, you can see there is no any built-in feature to enable the dark mode. Now to simply turn on the dark mode, you need to use the feature of your mobile phone. Now go to settings, just like this, then open it. Then scroll down and here you can find display and brightness. Select it. Now here you can find the appearance. Now tap on to dark. And by doing this, the dark mode will be turned on onto the Edits app. Now you can see just like this. And that's it. This is how you can enable dark mode in the Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.